Near USDT overview. Trading style, spot. Time frame, mid-term. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between take profits. Entry levels, 5.33, 5 to 6.400. Take profit targets. Target 1, 9.988. Target 2, 11.680. Target 3, 13.019. Target 4, 14.547. Target 5, 16.450. Stop loss, 3.173. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully, don't rush, and trade with simple tools like trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance levels. Trade with me. Important recommendation. After reaching each take profit target, consider trailing your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price. This helps protect profits and limit losses if the market changes direction. Be sure to enter after a pullback. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice.